What you're seeing is, while we're down about a point from last year, we still have, moderate job growth. Wages are up just under 3%. So we expect lower job growth, but still moderate and pretty straightforward, I think, what you're going to see. And on tax reform, as Steve was just talking about, we did a Paychex poll of small businesses under 50 employees. About 50% are going to benefit from tax reform, and about 80% are going to invest those savings. Those that benefit, they're going to invest, and about 2/3 are going to increase wages, is what they're saying. Good news.
Not just one-time bonuses.
Right.
You think this could actually result in a different wage structure that we've been waiting for?
Right. That's what they said. And by the way, we've got a lot of changes going on right now. January 1st, we had 18 states that introduced new minimum wages, higher minimum wage in 20 cities. So we've got a lot of changes going on in minimum wage already.
So if that happens, that's where you start hoping for a lot of people that get raises may actually spend some of the raises that they get. And then that's where the positive feedback loop comes from for demand. Maybe picks up so that companies then do invest. Maybe this is the way it's started. It's a weird chicken and egg discussion that you can't just add employees and raise wages. You need to see companies need to see the demand, but maybe that is the end result of this.
Yeah, I think they're expecting that demand to go up, though, because of exactly what you're saying. So when you see a poll that says of 50% will benefit and 80% of those are going to invest in technology and improvements and capital expenditures, that's very good news, I think, for a stronger, sustainable kind of growth model.
So what, in the numbers that you see, Marty, what are you seeing that causes economists to think that the fourth quarter is going to slow down from the second and third quarter in terms of GDP? Is that what you're seeing too, do you think?
Nothing we've really seen would say that. I think obviously job growth moderated from last year. We're down just under a point of growth, but we expected that as you get to full employment. So we really haven't seen that much of a slowdown other than in job growth, but it's still moderate and sustained.
Martin, there's a story out there that where we're seeing the highest wage gauges are places with the lowest unemployment rates. Are you seeing that, and where are those areas? Is it the urban areas, that the bigger cities out there?
Well, the biggest wage changes are actually coming from those minimum wage, jobs in those cities like in Arizona and California. All the West have the highest minimum wage increases, and that's pushing the wage.
Right.
And then, of course, there's those wage increases for just scarcity of resource, right? IT developers, positions like that, and some of these small IT contract companies, they're pushing wages because of scarcity of the resource and trying to get people in.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.